2025 Nissan Patrol, global SUV coming to the US. 2025 Nissan Patrol, global SUV, Nissan Armada, full-size SUV, off-road capability, luxury SUV market, family adventure, YouTube buzz. For decades, the Nissan Patrol has been a legendary nameplate in markets like the Middle East, Australia, and Asia, renowned for its rugged durability, spaciousness, and off-road mastery. Now, with the arrival of the 2025 Nissan Patrol, speculation is heating up that this global SUV could finally make its way to the US, potentially replacing or complementing the Armada. If true, it would mark a significant moment in Nissan's North American strategy and a bold new entry into the competitive full-size SUV segment. A global icon evolves. The Patrol has long stood as Nissan's flagship SUV outside the US, offering the kind of size and durability needed for desert dunes, mountain trails, and family adventures. The 2025 redesign is expected to bring sharper exterior styling, a more premium interior, and modern technology to match its rivals. Teaser images and leaked prototypes suggest a bolder grille, updated LED lighting, and a more muscular stance, all designed to give it the presence of a true global contender. Inside, Nissan is said to be pushing the Patrol further into the luxury SUV territory, with premium leather seating, advanced driver assistance systems, and a revamped infotainment setup. Expect a large digital display, enhanced connectivity, and more third-row comfort than ever before. Power and capability. Under the hood, the 2025 Patrol is expected to retire its long-serving V8 engine in favor of a twin-turbocharged V6, offering more efficiency without compromising performance. Early reports point to output figures north of 400 horsepower, with available all-wheel drive and multiple terrain management modes to maintain its off-road credibility. For towing and hauling, the Patrol is still likely to deliver competitive numbers, targeting families and adventurers who need both strength and versatility. Potential US arrival. The biggest question is whether the Nissan Patrol will finally come to the US market under its global name or continue as the Armada. Given the growing appetite for rugged, adventure-ready SUVs, a Patrol-branded model could reinvigorate Nissan's image in America, positioning it against heavyweights like the Toyota Land Cruiser, Ford Expedition, and Chevrolet Tahoe. If Nissan opts to unify the Armada and Patrol under one global identity, it could also streamline development and marketing while appealing to international buyers familiar with the Patrol legacy. YouTube buzz and digital attention. On YouTube, the Patrol has already made waves. Walk-around videos of camouflaged prototypes, fan-made renderings, and off-road clips have drawn millions of views. Enthusiasts in the Middle East, where the Patrol is a cultural icon, often upload dune bashing and desert racing footage, some of which regularly go viral. In the US, speculation videos asking, "Will the Patrol replace the Armada?" have sparked heated debates in the comments section. Comparisons to the reborn Toyota Land Cruiser and Lexus GX generate some of the highest engagement, proving that anticipation for the 2025 Patrol is running high. A global SUV with US potential. The 2025 Nissan Patrol embodies a rare mix of tradition and innovation. With modern styling, upgraded tech, and a more efficient yet powerful engine, it looks ready to maintain its reputation as a world-class SUV. Whether it arrives in the US as the Patrol or remains the Armada, one thing is clear: Nissan's global SUV is bigger, bolder, and ready to take on new roads, and possibly, new markets.